I came here to apologize for kissing you. Sorry to disappoint you.
Karen, listen to me.
I think I love you.
And I love you too, darling. For the first time I see you.
Look! I mean, I'm in love with you.
I know what this is. Too much TV. It's a phase.
It's no damn phase! Didn't you feel anything when we kissed?
No, careful with that we thing, you know. You kiss me. I had
Look,
nothing.
did you feel anything?
Yes?
Yes.
Certain amount of shock and disgust. I'm the old man. Talk to me now.
It's Karen.
What?
I haven't seen her since Friday.
Oh my God.
We had an argument. Caught her writing this letter.
Backside.
Is what? My darling,
She thinks she's in love.
What? So what if you're 3 times my age? 3 times?
The man older than me.
I keep thinking of our first kiss. Then she kissed this pervert.
Pervert? Hold on. That is, we don't know anything about this gentleman.
Gentleman? No gentleman would seduce a child who could be his granddaughter.
She won't tell me who he is, where he lives, what he has done to her.
Oh my God.
She's saying done things to her?
Look here now. Get the police involved.
Police? We are talking about police! Anybody dead?
Well, Dick, I swear, if I find this freak, somebody going to death.